Nathan.
Yeah.
Increase your tissue coming.
Bumbucker.
I mean, I tell you, say, come like a running belly.
Come like a choker that beer. Come out there. When you were going so far? And shit that?
You blind?
Bumbucker.
Guys, I don't know, so it's a girl CC and I'm back in the building. Yeah. So yeah guys, I know so from when I see me by myself and from me I go on with myself, so I know it's a prank time guys. Right through I know it's a prank time though. So before I tell you what kind of prank me I go do and all of them something there, I want to go over to the Morgan family, go subscribe and make them know say CC and Nathan send you link. When you don't know what the link down in the description. Also go over to Shen and Dre. Them lost them channel at 33.6k subscribe. Wanna go over there, go subscribe to them. Make them know say CC and Nathan send you guys. Yes, so the real supporter them just roll out and do that for me. Yeah guys, so remember so now I'm going to the bathroom and I'm going to the bathroom. I'm calling and tell people things that is going to me. You know, to make it look curriculum and everything and all that. Remember to watch the ads guys, bills getting on. Yes, I'm not going to the bathroom right now, but I'm sure I have one next camera for that bring in the bathroom with me. Because I know I'm going to come in there with the person. So yeah guys, I'm just stay tuned. Like the video, comment, watch the ads, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you're not subscribed to me, we are weird pan guys, we are weird pan. Nathan! Nathan!
Yeah.
Increase your tissue coming.
Bumbucker. Kalisha, what is beside of me, youth?
What?
Kalisha, what is?
Nobody, I'm fine.
Come here, come Kalisha, come in the house.
So I'm not miss.
Yo, I can't wear you slap the same as you. Kalisha.
Yeah.
Come here now, man.
Someone not come, Nathan. I don't know where you wake up and I go and suffer.
What is man in bed? Go that black and smoke, my youth.
What?
I can't hear that come from now. Just tell me say that no come for a right deal to you, hear?
I don't know where you wake up with the excitement for.
Where are you? Come here. What is?
Not even wake up and ask me what happened to me or nothing.
What that?
You never remember it, you know? Someone wake up with a piece of belly pea and I tell us it come like a running belly.
Come like a chocolate that beer come out here. All that black so. No.
When you get up with what?
Kalisha, I love you, my money. Pick up that no man.
Never remember something where you go and suffer.
When you were going so far. And shit that?
You blind?
Look at that. Kalisha, why you?
Me not tell you some wake up with the running belly.
So your belly fear run. Look, I have to tell it there, you know.
Me shit up myself before.
On the bed?
Me shit and it just... What you?
Mate, don't talk to me, mate.
Go and stay with it.
Kalisha, take out that off.
Me say me soon take out something that hurt me.
You just take out that off my bed, no man, and leave yourself, my youth.
So what are you up for?
Take up that.
Me not take up nothing. Take it up for me.
Move that, Kalisha. You think me I support the nastiness, my youth?
Nobody will say support today.
So where you put that on the bed for? Oh, that look black so.
Ah shit.
Shit black so? What kind of shit that you have?
You never see black shit
You go
yet?
check out yourself, you heard?
I say if you never see black shit yet.
Not so black, jet black so?
You can, I still don't my face.
Kalisha, stop swing that around me. Stop swing that around me, Kalisha. Excuse. Go on.
You make through this year go on, sir?
Go on, where you go?
Is it through my one?
Go on, where you go?
Tell us when we wake up this morning, you know.
You want to look at nasty bumbo clad picnic.
You want nasty bumbo.
You!
You are talking. What should I say, Maggie? I'm doing that.
With the excuse me.
Come, Maggie.
Where you go?
That's just someone for me on Nathan. How
Wait.
is this, man?
Where you go, Kalisha?
What that's why you sitting for me? I sit down here just chat. All the dep on a walk.
Yo!
All the dep on a
Stop
walk.
ramping me. Stop ramping. Where you think, Kalisha?
The only thing you dep on a trap, bro. That look like shit. That look jet black. Something wrong with you. You not even ask me if my belly alright. You not even ask me if I feel good. Then lie down and stretch out me there.
Me can't believe that.
I'm going to go in and bathroom, go do what me I do. I never remember, so there's something there right there. So I never remember if I'm going to take it out.
So when you left inside and me found me asleep?
I remember me say me don't remember it. You know what me say?
Remember, we get a look cockroaches, my youth.
Move from here, someone. But she feel.
See, I get it and shit like my youth. Come here.
What you know? Come check out people shit. Eat up more. Oh, Kalisha! Excitement.
Oh, I make excitement. They can't do them things that my youth.
All you have to do is come now.
Well, that's
Thank God PR. I want to big up on yourself from out.